Hello student, welcome to my class. In the last class we have derived the trigonometric ratios of particular angles. This is sin 30 equal to half, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1, like that. So on all the values how it has come we derived. Now we have to apply those values. You will see that table and apply that value. Automatically when you complete the exercise you will be able to remember all the values. But in spite of that, if you have any confusion, sometimes you may get that one. Says, for example, sin 30 is 1 by root, sin 30 is half, and cos 60 is also half. So sometimes you may confused. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 60 is root 3, cot 30 root 3, and cot 61 by root 3. So this type of problem you may have. So that's why we may have some trick to find out the table. So before starting you can make the table within 2 minutes. So how it can be? Just see that table, 3 steps to be followed mainly. First you will write the standard angle, particular angles. Those angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the particular angles we are having. So for these values you have to remember 3 steps mainly you have to start. That is the tricks. How it has come, that is not the matter. You can make the table, you can prepare the table. First start from here. 0 say you will start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First step. Divided by 4 each. Then take every one root. These are the values of sine. Once more I am recalling. First start from 0 degree, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divided by 4 each. Take every one root. Then it is 3. Then that value will be the sine value. Sine 0 by something 0, 0 ka square root 0. Sine 0 is 0. Then simplest value 1 by 2. If it is cancel it. 1 के लिए 1, 2 के लिए root 2. Root 3 by 2 and 4 cancel, that is 1 means 1 it will. So this is the sin 0, 0, sin 30 half, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1. Now you are having cos. Cos you will write, just pay attention here. Cos you will start writing from here, but you will take from the back. That means first value will be 1, come from back. Next value root 3 by 2. Next it will be 1 by root 2. Next 1 by 2, next 0. Is it okay? First start from here, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Tan means you know, short I am writing sine by cos. That means 0 by 1, 0. 2 to काट जाएगा तो 1 by root 3. This by this करो, sin value respective sin and cos value divide करो तो you will get 1. Root 3 2 to काट जाएगा तो you will get root 3. 1 by 0, that is not defined. So these are the main 3 values we have. That is sin, cos, tan. Now they are reciprocal to be. Sin reciprocal is cosec. Cosec 0 का reciprocal, that is not defined. 1 by 2 reciprocal 2. It will be root 2. 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal 1. Similarly, cosec means 1 by sine. Sec means you know 1 by cos. Cos का सोचो 1, so its reciprocal 1, माने 0 degree reciprocal 1. Then it will be 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 reciprocal root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal 2. 0 का reciprocal not defined. Sec मिल गया. Now you are having the last value cot. That is what? 1 by tan. Tan में सोचो 0. That means its reciprocal will be not defined. 1 by root 3 reciprocal root 3. That means cot 30 is root 3. Cot 45 1. Root 3 का reciprocal 1 by root 3 cos 60. And not defined when something by 0 reciprocal means 0 by something. That will be 0. So in this way, in these tricks if you follow, then you can prepare your table. This is the trigonometric table. You can do that one. Then we can apply those tables. So in this way we can follow, we can prepare the table, and then using those values you can find out that various values or like that one. In this respect, table देख के ही value put, you can put substitute the values. Now some question if we have, if we want to discuss in the beginning, so very simple question, just see the table and put the values. And next we are having some particular type of question we like to discuss now. One question, suppose question number 16, it is having, if A and B are acute, मतलब less than 90 degree, and such that tan A equal to 1 by 3, tan B equal to 1 by 2, and the formula we are having, tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A equal to 1 by 3 plus tan B 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. If we do the calculation, देखो 2 and 3 6 LCM. So what you are getting? Tan A plus B A plus B equal to 5 by 6 by 6 minus 1 by 6, मतलब 5 by 6 by 5 by 6. So it will be 1. So ultimately you are getting tan A plus B equal to 1. 1 means whose value it will be? Tan 45 degree. So tan A plus B equal to tan 45 degree. From there you can compare tan theta equal to tan A, if you have, then you will get tan A plus B will be equal to 45. So in this way we can do that one. Some values are given, using that one we can complete this one. You will try to complete that exercise. It is exercise 11 you have to do, and if you have any question, any problem, then we will discuss in the next class. Okay.